Are you getting tired, baby girl? She's like, yes, I'm tired. Gonna take a nap. See you later. Love you, Dad.